In this video guide, we will give you instructions to get rid of Spicy Start, also known as spicystart.com. Spicy Start is a fake search engine. It may be set as your default search engine when a browser hijacker is installed on your device as an app or a plugin. Whatever the case might be, this article will help you to remove it effectively. Spicystart.com is a questionable search engine that is promoted in software bundles and might be installed on the device without the customer's permission or approval. Once inside, this browser hijacker might set its domain as a default search engine, homepage, and new tab address. Additionally, it might control your browsing sessions and collect browsing-related information. The appearance of the website itself might seem legit at first sight. It has a convenient design and offers to look for information in 4 standard categories: web, images, videos, and news. However, the main problem might occur on the search results page. The Spicy Start doesn't redirect to Yahoo, Google, or other legit search engines like many similar browser hijackers do. It uses its own results database, meaning that authors of this potentially unwanted program might alter results and hide sponsored links among organic search results. So the real purpose of this Spicy Start is to bring the revenue for its developers and owners. If you are not happy with such amendments, if you are not happy with Spicy Start to remain as your default search engine, you need to get rid of it. First thing you could do is to research your available Mac applications and delete those items that are suspicious. So if you find them, right click on them and move them to the trash. Second thing you could do is to research your available browser extensions by going to the menu, clicking on More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and delete any third-party extensions you find here. Finally, I recommend that you carefully research your Mac with Combo Cleaner. You may get this cleaner for Mac by going to the website combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and examining the system with this tool to make sure it is free of any other hidden threats. So after the antivirus database is updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the detailed research and investigation of your Mac computer. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. In my case, it was in the premium mode, but you'll see a pretty similar picture with the trial mode of Combo Cleaner. The program gives you the report about threats found. You may go to the antivirus section, click on Review Results. So as you can clearly see, this is the list of all threats that were found during the scanning. How to get rid of these threats manually? Of course, you can see the location of specific threat, plus you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you the location of the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threats and get rid of these threats manually. Or, of course, you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.